Have you ever thought whether you can grow succulents in water? Well, you can. These beautiful succulents can easily grow in a jar of water with little maintenance. Here are some of my favorites. Number 1. String of pearls. String of pearls steals the spotlight with its gorgeous foliage. Just grow it in a small glass bowl in indirect sunlight and let it flaunt its looks. On to the another one. We have the zebra plant. It's the ideal plant to grow in a mason jar filled with water. But don't submerge it. Only the bottom part of the stem should be wet. Next, I have the snake plant, which might surprise you. It stands out for its toughness and can grow in water easily. All you have to do is take one of its leaves, cut it near the bottom, and submerge this end in water. If you like colors, you will love growing coral bells in water. They are perfect for mini water bottles, for tabletops and desks. And their foliage looks beautiful. Don't take it away from the sun though. Jade plants are another great option for water propagation and growing. Make sure the leaves remain dry and only the bottom of the plant is under the water level. Did you know acacias are the gems of water gardening and growing? And there are tons of varieties to choose from. Go on and pick up your favorite. While you are at it, you can also pick aeoniums. These lovely plants transition to water growing effortlessly. A little snippet of the stem in a glass of water and some proper lighting, that's all it will ask for. Now that you have learned everything about the succulents you can grow in water, there's one thing you should know as the golden rule of growing succulents in water. Change the water every 4 to 5 days. The clean water will have nutrients that the plant can absorb and to continue thriving. Did you find this video helpful? Hit the like button and subscribe for more plant-filled adventures. Until next time, keep planting.